Hello guys, so today ano ko'y gustong i-topic sa inyo about being in the corporate world, being one of the receivers sa usa ka application, sa usa ka applicant. So I'm talking about the application itself. On a process, the interview, screening and all, task contract signing and all. Pero in my case, it's different. So in the third employment I have, same thing. Hinanap ako and then I reapply. Yun, for formality na naman, you had to undergo tests, question and answer. But again, to start with, as an applicant, you should know na kapag ikaw ay nag-a-apply ng trabaho, alam mo sa sarili mo na graduate ka, alam mo sa sarili mo na you have the credentials. Diba nagkakaroon tayo ng isang mock tawag ba nun sa school? Kasi hindi ko alam kung naranasan nyo yun. Isa siyang mock interview para to prepare yourself sa pagharap sa real world, no? Meron tayong kasabihan. First impression last. Yan. So, yung first impression ko sa'yo, if pumunta ka sa akin, is kapag nagtanong ka ng hiring or you want to submit a document dahil gusto mong malaman kung merong bakante, dapat ikaw in the first place as an applicant, you should be ready. Kasi ang nangyayari kasi sa ibang mga students or hindi pa graduate pero they wanted to submit the application is hindi kompleto. So, kahit nga application letter, na if you are going to submit a resume, titingnan ko lang siya, yes, pero wala dun yung hinahanap ko. Like what? School credentials. Kasi some of the applicants, hindi nila nilalagay doon kung saan sila graduate. Kasi nga naman, hindi pa nakaka-graduate. Yung iba naman, wala naman talagang working experience. So, hindi nila alam kung paano. So, you as a newbie, you as a newly graduate, before you enter the real world, complete your documents before submitting it para hindi tayo nag-aaksaya ng panahon. Some of you, nagagalit kayo kasi bakit gano'n, hindi man lang pinansin nyo. Again, my dear, kapag kayo ay nag-a-apply, we will always consider your application, right? So, first thing, number 1, complete your application documents. So, again, I'd like to remind everyone, okay, this is just a simple. Hindi naman kasi kami complicated. On my side, being the hiring personnel of the institution, I always consider things, especially for those application na alam natin na, oy, ito hindi to afford. Makikita naman nalalaman mo sa story nila kung ano ba ang meron sila, kung ano yung meron at wala sila. So, if I think or if I can see that the person itself cannot afford to photocopy documents, and then I would say na, sige, pag pinatawag kita, and then that's the time that you bring your documents with you. That's the time that I will reconsider it. Kasi nga, syempre, yun din naman kasi ang hahanapin sa inyo, unless na lang you are not capable enough to do so. And I would really consider, it's a plus kasi. It's a plus na kapag nandun na lahat ng documents mo, it will not be hard for me to screen your documents. Sometimes magagalit ka, sometimes maiinis ka. So, it boils down to dahil hindi ka prepared. So, being a newbie, being a new applicant, so prepare yourself always. Bring all the documents that is necessary and photocopy. No need the original, just a photocopy of the document and that's it. Okay? And then do your best. Be yourself. Yun lang. Bring yourself with you together with the application and we're all set. It's essential na maging presentable ka but wag naman yung sobrang plakado ka. Alam mo yun. I'd like it more simpler and the simpler version of you and be yourself together with your documents and that's it. So yun lang guys. It's just a tip. How na po magagalit. Love lang tayo and thank you everyone for your time. God bless.